Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in our Python series, we are doing today third video. In third video, we had to cover as mainly understanding the data types in Python. Okay, so let's look into this third. Mainly, first we had to understand with the definition of data types. So basically, data types are fundamental classifications that tell the interpreter what type of value is stored and how it will be handled. So each value in Python has a unique data type, and the correct data type allows for proper operation on the data. So let's look into the importance of data types in programming, called as mainly uh, the data types play a crucial role in programming because uh, ensure efficient use of memory. So to enable the program to perform the correct operations on data and help prevent the errors and unexpected behaviors. So for this main, the importance of data types in programming. So let's look into the basic data types. So here some common basic and data types are called as mainly integer. Okay, integer, floating, string, and Boolean. So the last video also this one the overview I have discussed it. So let's look into this one whole integer part. So basically integer is whole numbers without a fractional part. So without a fractional part called as, so let's look into the example called as age equals to 35. So print age. So if I print the age, the output will get as the 35. So if I print with the type of age, so type of age called as, I will get the output called as the class into. So I am getting the output is print age 35 and print type of age is the class into. So let's look into floating point numbers. So in these floating point numbers are mainly the numbers with a decimal point. So for example, height equals to 6.1. Print height. So print height called as, I will get the output is 6.1. So print type of height. So I will get the output is print type of height called as float. So class is float. Okay, the same thing. And the string example. So string is mainly basically it's a sequence of characters. So let's look into the string example. For example, name equals to Vijay. Print name. So if I print the name, I'll get the output called as Vijay. Print type of name. So type of name called as it's a string. I'll get the class str. Okay. Next, Boolean example. So for Boolean example, for example, is adult equals to true. Print is adult. So if I print the is adult called as, it's a output is true. So for example, I am printing with type of is adult. Sorry, here hyphen, not hyphen, underscore. Adult. So if I print is adult, I'll get the output called as true. So this is the some basic data types. Next, we'll look into some advanced data types. So in Python, advanced data types are mainly list, tuple, set, dictionary. So these are all the advanced data types. So Python also offers more advanced data types for managing the collections of data. So let's look into first one, list. So list called as a mutable sequence of items. So let's look into mutable sequence of items example called as list example. Let's consider as fruits. So if I consider as fruits like apple, comma, like banana, comma, cherry, close braces, okay, and close this one. So fruits I have considered a list called as the fruits list is apple, banana, cherry. So if I print this one, print fruits, so I will get the output called as apple, banana, and cherry. Same thing if I print type of fruits. So what is the output I will get? I will get the list output. Okay, this one. Then we'll look into tuple example. So tuple is mainly immutable sequence of items. So immutable called as like for example, if you consider as coordinates. So coordinates 10, 20. So let's print 10, 20. So for example, I'll write as coordinates equal to 10, 20. Print coordinates. So if I print the coordinates, I'll get the output called as 10, 20. So if I print type of coordinates, so type of coordinates is it's a tuple. So which one? Next, look into set example. So set called as it's an unordered collection of unique elements. Unordered called as unique numbers like 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. Like so, if I give 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, but I'll get the unique numbers are 1, 2, 3 only. So let's look into unique numbers. Let's define 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. I am giving how many values? So 5 values, but unique numbers are 3 numbers only, right? So print unique numbers. If I print the unique numbers, output is 1, 2, 3. So print of type of unique numbers. I'll get the type is mainly set. So set is a unordered collection of unique elements. Next, dictionary example. So dictionary is mainly a collection of key value pairs. So let's consider as this one, student equal to, so student is name colon. So student name as Vijay, brace missing. Okay. Student name as Vijay, comma, age is around 25. If I close. So here I considered as student name is Vijay, age is 20. So if I print this one, print of student. So if I print the student, I'll get the output is same thing above. So like name Vijay, age 25. So same thing if I print type of student. So I'll get the dict. So dict called as the dictionary. So what happened here? Print type of student. So what happened? Unterminated string. Somewhere we have unterminated. Yes, Vijay. Unterminated. Right? This one. So this is the dictionary example. Next, look into type conversion. So type conversion is mainly the Python supports converting between data types when needed, like integer to string conversion, string to integer conversion, float to integer conversion. Like, so let's look into one example. First one, integer to string conversion. So for example, age equals to 25, result equals to age plus string of age. So if I print the result, what I will get, the age equals to 25. Print result. So I'll get the output is 25. So this is example integer to string conversion. So string conversion is result. We are storing this str of age. Actually here we declared as integer part. So we are converting to string. Next, string to integer conversion. For example, num str equals to let's say 50. So here I am declaring the number is string 50 with because of why I am calling the string called is I put the double quotes num equal to int of num str. Okay. Now I will print which one I have to print, num of plus 10. So num plus 10. So actual value I have stored as 50. And I'm converting this to integer part now, and num value is stored as 50. 50 plus 10, I'll get the 60 output. Int object is not callable. Where I have not callable, print num. Okay. For example, in num string, let's copy the paste it. Num and this one num print. Okay, I'll get the int object is not callable. What is the error? Num str. So if I take num str1 and num1, let's take num1. Same thing. Int object is not callable. So here basically, I think so earlier I have given this as int declaration. So that is the reason maybe I'm getting this error. So let's ignore this part for the current time being. I will look into this one. So why actually this is the code correct only. So in above I have somewhere I had declared as into some value. Okay. So or else here I will write as so. Int equal to 5. Okay, now it's fixed. So actually, so I'm getting the result int equal to 5 means first. So let's look into this one. I think it is executing above code somewhere. Let's remove this comment also. I'm getting this int object is not callable. Okay, so that is the reason. So actually, int is I had declared as somewhere that is calling. Okay, so let's comment this one. Yeah. So this string to integer conversion is we are getting the error somewhere the into num is called somewhere. So that is the reason we are getting this error. And let's look into the float to integer conversion. So float to integer conversion is, for example, pi equals to 3.14. Let's print int of pi. Okay, I think this one also will get the same error. Okay, so in above in this kernel in above code, I have somewhere I have fixed that int that one. Okay, next you look into common errors with data types, or else we'll save this one and again we have to close. I think it will fix the error. If I open freshly, it will fix the error. Where it is? Here, this one, right? So num str1 equals to 50, num1 int this one. Same thing only. Till. Okay, let's find the above code, or else each and every time we had to open with the some new, what we say, the new notebook. Okay, so let's look into some common errors with data types called as. So mainly to understanding the data types also helps to prevent the errors. For example, trying to combine incompatible data types can lead to issues. Okay, so error is mainly string and integer concatenation. So for example, in this this will raise the type error. So type error called as mainly, for example, result equals to hello plus 5. Result equals to plus 5. So this is will fail with the type error. So can only concatenate string into to str. Okay. So this what we say to fix the type conversion, so corrected by converting integer to string. So let's say result equals to hello plus string of 5, print result. So this one will get the output as hello 5. Okay. Next, we'll look into practical examples. So here are a few more examples that can showcase Python's handling of different data types. Boolean comparison. So Boolean comparison is mainly comparing values and understanding the resulting Boolean. Okay. So that is, for example, A equals to 10 and B equals to 20. Print A equals to B. Print type of A equals to B. So if I print the first one, A equals to B means, so A equals to 10, B equals to 20. So obviously the value is false condition. So print type of A equals to B means it's a Boolean value, right? Incomplete input. Close. Okay, so that is the false condition. Let's look into string manipulation. So string manipulation called as mainly demonstrating how to work with string data types and string functions. So for example, message equals to hello world, print message dot upper, print message dot lower. So what I'm getting called as, so I'll get the uppercase letters and I'll get the lowercase letters. First one as print message upper. So you'll get the hello world as uppercase letters. Print lower. So I'll get the lowercase letters. So this one. Next, we'll look into list operations. So list operations are mainly adding and removing the elements from a list. Let's say numbers. Numbers equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now numbers dot append 5. So append 5 called as adding or removing the elements from a list. So numbers not append 5. Now I will print the numbers. Okay. So now I'll get the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's look into this one. Okay. And the same thing I will write as numbers dot remove 3. Then print numbers. I'll get the output is 3. So 3 means only I'll get the 3 is to be removed. Other than that, remaining I'll get. Okay. So this way. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. So remove. So numbers append of 5. So append means at the end, I had to add the number called as 5. That is print numbers. So first one output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numbers remove 3. So remove the 3. In this list, I had removed 3 and print the number. So 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay. So this is the output of this list operations. So let's see the conclusion of this video. So in this video, mainly we covered the fundamentals of data types in Python from basic to advanced types. Understanding data types helps in writing the efficient and error-free code by practicing type conversion and managing different data structures. And you can become a proficient in handling data in Python. Okay. So this is the video covers mainly. So thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you.